Hello friends. Hello friends. Today is nice day, February day, and I'm at home. Didn't want to work at all because I'm sick, as you can hear in my voice. So I got sick last week, and John and I both went sick. First he was sneezing, coughing, weak, so he said to come early from work and to go with him to doctor. So he booked the appointment and we went, and there was waiting for 1 hour in that small room. Probably some germs got into me from that doctor office, and the same, like within an hour I started feeling here heavy on chest and mainly heavy on chest, like something going on with my breathing. I went to Walmart still to get his medications because they said he has flu. But next day I was already sick and didn't go work. So yeah. They prescribed him some flu medication, and actually it's helped him, but he gave me 2 and they didn't help me at all. And I found some old in my drawer. I found from dentist penicillin antibiotic, so I took 2 in one day, and next day I took 1, and it started helping. So now it's almost a week, and finally slightly feeling better, but still voice little sucks and still weak. I didn't have appetite at all in those days. I have to get better and go to work next week. Tomorrow I still have work, but might not go because I don't want to risk and I will get worse. But I still think maybe I could go for half day. I don't know. I don't know if I have strength to stand 4 hours and pick or pack. Pick or pack or count or stove. I don't think I still have strength. Oh, it's a squirrel. Somewhere back. I don't know where it gone. Today is near 35 Fahrenheit. See, I still coughing, and I have. The worst part was that I was trying to cough, and it was this sound here, and it was like pain here that I couldn't cough it out. The only position that was a little making it easier to cough something out was like kneeling. No, like going forward a little bit with yourself like this, and then So I hate winter, always near this time in winter when it's in between end of January / beginning of February. I always get sick, no matter what. Maybe my body just needs to restart system. I don't know. But hope this illness going to the end and I can go back to work, because I will be broke. I have bills to pay, like insurance, which is expensive, 500, and car payment, credit card bills. So yeah, I ate today Cheerios, some, and now I will have 2 oranges to get some vitamins. 2 oranges because they are good, right? They say so. And I have tea, there's juice. We had snow, and because it was warm weather yesterday, it melted almost, as you can see there. So yeah, I didn't did anything. 1 week was waste. Only sleeping, laying, little bit watching YouTube, but not much. Even for watching YouTube, you don't have energy when you're sick. I mean, first 3 days I wasn't watching when I started, because I think I have bronchitis, which goes a little bit in bronchies, I don't know, in lungs, not the lungs, but the part before lungs. Bronchitis. Yeah, so that's what I had, and yeah, and hopefully within few days I am able to go to work. Yeah, because I need money, and then maybe even in future, not this week or not next week, oh, who knows, maybe next week some additional shifts, because I need money for dentist. I had 2 dentist appointments, but I have to cancel it for next month, so I will need to save money for dentist too. Not only for insurance, also for internet bills, house bills. So yeah. That's the update. Can't wait when will be finally spring, when we can go out, enjoy time outside in some nature parks, because now it's cold, not only cold, but it's all the time very windy. That is very annoying to do anything, and it's easy to get sick because it's all the time windy. Yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Eat oranges in winter to make yourself in good health. These ones are from Walmart, California, naval. But I wasn't even in Walmart shopping. I subscribed that, you know, W Plus, and they delivered food. But maybe in a few days I go myself, because I prefer to choose by myself, because they apples I order, they chose so small, and already the ones that are getting better. So I prefer to do myself, but I was so sick. And John also did, and they deliver, but eggs were broken. We had to throw out eggs. Yeah. So yeah, that's my update. Hope I get better, and see you in the next videos. Bye.